Hello, hello, Dr. Hill here again. We are back for another episode, and this is the first one where I got a question. Why did I want to become a dentist? Great question, love it. First of all, as you can tell, since I'm filming a channel, you can tell that I really like to interact with people, get to know people. I'm just a very outgoing people person. But the real reason I kind of got into dentistry, not only to help people with their health, but it was really about giving them the self-confidence to be who they truly are. You know, there's nothing like seeing a person walk in, just very happy, smiling, just owning what they are. That's really what it did it for me. I will tell you just one story, just a little personal story of mine. I had a patient of mine, great patient, sweetheart of a patient, came in just not very happy with her smile, her oral health, all of that kind of stuff. You could tell she kind of walked in with her hand over her mouth, kind of saw some stuff going on in there. She had some broken teeth, some old fillings that were kind of failing on her. She had stained teeth. You could tell it was kind of weighing on her a little bit. She came in a little bit embarrassed, but was willing to take on, what we were going to do to try to make her healthy and happy. Found a treatment plan that worked for her. We actually put crowns and veneers on all of her teeth, gave her a beautiful bright white smile just like she asked for. And then it really was the end-all be-all when we saw her get up. She looked in the mirror for the first time, started crying, tears of joy, thankfully, and gave me a huge hug. And that is exactly why I walk into the office every day. Not only take care of people's health, but I just love to make people or give people the confidence that they should be and be proud of themselves. So, great question. Can't wait for more. Like, subscribe, more videos coming your way. Really appreciate y'all.